Well, welcome to Whack-A-Mole Industries for the last time. Well, sort of. Stick around with me and this should all make sense. If you've ever watched me slap together a tool hack or a project or build a stove, set up a tent at a reenactment, you've all been part of this journey. Whack-A-Mole Industries was born out of chaos, all sorts of projects from a guy who had too many hobbies, too many directions, and not enough time. So typical ADHD, I guess. The moment I put on the gear, the moment I joined other reenactors, the moment I was in foxholes with other people who were inspired by history, I knew it wasn't just about doing the builds, which I love, and the tool hacks, which I enjoy. It was about building something bigger, something with more meaning, something with a story behind it, something with a history.
Welcome to Brave Builds.
So what does this mean? Well, same energy, same projects, but with more of a focus. The same dirty hands, the same sawdust, the same sparks flying, the same welder crackling away. Still projects, still the tool hacks, but with the story behind it and the passion behind it, the history, the reenacting. There'll be all sorts of things added to this that I'm excited to share with you guys. It's not an ending, but it's a beginning all at the same time. Those of you who've been here on this journey, you'll be getting pretty much the same thing, but there'll be some more story mixed in there, more of the inspiration behind the projects. There'll be videos explaining some history about World War II. There'll be videos talking about the gear of the resistance, maybe even some of the weapons that they used, or the restoration behind them, preserving them for future generations. All those things I am excited to bring it out, and then bringing you to the trenches, literally, well, sort of, because sometimes I am in trenches as a resistance reenacting. Other times there's no trenches at all. Just kind of depends on the reenactment. Because I'm really hoping to figure out some projects to be able to make it so that I can mount a camera and conceal it on me for reenactment. So I can bring you guys along into the battlefields of reenactment and share with you the first person footage of what it is like to be a reenactor. And to show you the encampment and the gear. And the projects that other reenactors have done. These are all things I want to bring to you guys, and I'm working on figuring out how to make it happen. And for the history part, well, let's just be honest. A lot of history videos are, well, you gotta put them at 2 times the speed or cut out half the video, you know, skip around. And my goal is not to be that way. If you have to put me at 2 times the speed, I'm probably talking slower than I usually do in real life. All those things, I am excited to bring it out. More projects, more purpose, and more building coming soon. Whack-A-Mole Industry is ending, well, sort of, but the name's changing, the purpose though is getting clearer. So stick around, hit subscribe if you haven't, and welcome to the next chapter of the chaos and the builds. Let's build something brave together.